And dear traders, how are you all? Hope all will be fine in doing very awesome trading. Today I'm gonna show you one more awesome strategy. As you all guys know, thousands of people's daily basis doing trading on boom and crash. And that boom and crash, the world best and a famous index. And many people using moving averages based strategy, many people using price action and technical, and many people using accelerators based strategies, and many more methods for trading as per your experience. So, as you all guys know, Traders Profit House always bring awesome strategies and tested things. So, today also we're going to share with you an awesome trading strategy with complete test. We set up this strategy, and after that real account test, once we got awesome results, so we thought now it's time to release the strategy and upload on our YouTube channel. So that's my first request. Kindly subscribe to get new videos and a new awesome strategies, tricks and helpful things, and press the bell icon so you will receive the notification once we upload anything. Okay, so as I told you, this strategy is going to be very awesome. So simply you have to follow our steps as I told you in video and we teach. So simply first of all we have to set up things. Look here and repeat same thing. Kindly don't do mistake. Maybe after mistake that calculation and other parameters not work well and you lost or fake signal may disturb you. Okay, so please do as we are going to do. Okay, first of all you have to set up moving average period 3 shift no method simple apply to close choose color red and done. And look here, the first moving average on your chart. Again set up a moving average. Okay, here is the moving average. Again 3 next and then the done. Linear wedge apply to previous indicators the data and choose color golden and done. Okay, and the lucky guys, once more the moving average same and repeat choose color blue and done. Okay, let's moving average and select that 7. Okay, this will be exponential and apply to previous indicates data and choose color any you like. Okay, and now here it's time to show you. Look here, after this 7 add the 50 period the moving average, linear wedge previous indicators data choose color black. Okay, and look here, again moving average, the period will be 150 100 and done. Linear wedge previous indicators data and choose any color you like. There is no any recommendation. I will choose green color. Our strategy loaded successfully. M1, M5, M15, M13, any time frame you like. Okay, let me share with you some discipline of this strategy. Once you see that market is at cross point and all moving averages crossing each other, so now it's time to place your trade. Okay, and after cross, look here how many pips in buy signal. Okay, look here, the cross happened once all moving averages crossing each other, and after look here a buy signal and trade. And let me show you the M5 also. Look here and how many pips. Okay, and after this look here and a buy signal, and look this one buy trade. Market crossed each other, that moving averages crossing each other and going upward Look here. Once you enter the trade, till that moving average again cross each other, don't close. And for stop loss and take profit, must use the previous low for buy, and for sell previous high and sell. Okay, and for take profit I recommend, once you put SL here, your entry here, and after once market move some pips, like said that market move to this point, set your stop loss here, and once market go here, set your stop loss at this point, and once market touch, okay, is move your stop loss here. And look here, your trailing stop also hit, and market also change the direction. I hope you all guys understand how to use this strategy. Okay, and look here, a sell signal. I prefer M5 is very awesome if you want to use. Okay, and M1 also no problem, but M5 is very awesome. I hope you all guys understand what I mean to say and what I teach you. Kindly do as you seen in video. Watch till end so you will understand. For any question, feel free, text me, and I'm here for your help. Thanks for watching.